Hi,
Hi, ma'am.
good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
What is your name?
My name is Charan Raj.
Which class are you study?
Pre-nursery,
What is your school name?
National Thread School.
Shall we start GK questions?
Yes, ma'am.
Which is our country?
India,
Which is our state?
Karnataka,
National animal?
tiger,
National bird?
peacock,
National flower? Lotus.
lotus,
National tree?
banyan tree,
National game?
hockey,
National river?
Ganga river,
National song?
Vande Mataram,
National anthem?
Janagana Mana,
King of jungle?
lion,
Which is the fastest animal?
cheetah,
Which animal has long neck?
giraffe,
Which animal has black and white strips on his body?
zebra,
Sheep of the desert?
camel,
Which bird that doesn't sleep at night?
owl,
King of flower?
rose,
Brain of computer?
CPU,
Monitor looks like?
TV,
King of fruit?
mango,
Who teaches us in the school?
teacher,
Which animal upon its back?
camel,
Baby of dog is called?
puppy,
Baby of cat is called?
kitten,
India capital?
New Delhi,
Karnataka capital?
Bengaluru,
Goa capital?
Panaji,
Bihar capital?
Patna,
Father of our nation?
Mahatma Gandhiji,
When do we celebrate Independence Day? August
August 14,
15.
15,
Name the colors of national flag.
saffron, white, green,
What is there in the middle of national flag?
Ashoka Chakra,
Favorite food of Lord Krishna?
butter,
Gujarat capital?
Gandhinagar,
Himachal Pradesh capital?
Simla,
Biggest state?
Rajasthan,
Biggest bird?
ostrich,
Rajasthan capital?
Jaipur,
Andhra Pradesh capital?
Simla,
Andhra Pradesh capital?
Simla,
Amaravati.
Amaravati,
Where do birds live?
nest,
Who wrote Janaganamana?
Rabindranath Tagore,
What is the color of parrot?
green,
Maharashtra capital? Maharashtra capital? Mumbai.
Mumbai,
Telangana capital?
Hyderabad,
Assam capital?
Dispur,
Smallest state?
Goa,
Smallest bird?
hummingbird,
Tamil Nadu capital? Chennai.
Chennai,
American currency?
dollars,
Indian currency?
rupees,
UK currency?
pound,
Pair currency?
ton,
Dubai currency?
dirham,
Hen gives us?
egg,
Cow gives us?
milk,
Ship gives us?
wool,
Honeybee gives us?
honey,
Who brings us letter?
postman,
Who wrote Ramayana?
Valmiki,
Fish lives in?
water,
Monkey lives?
tree,
Lion lives in?
den,
Dog lives in? Kennel.
kennel,
Name the directions.
east, west, north, south,
Very good. Which bird cannot fly?
ostrich and penguin,
Largest continent?
Asia,
Baby of sheep is called?
lamb,
Baby of pig is called?
piglet,
Which is the festival of lights?
Deepavali,
Who is the Prime Minister of India?
Narendra Modi,
Electronic City of India? Bengaluru.
Bengaluru,
When do we celebrate Children's Day?
November 14,
Which is the largest river?
Nile River,
Name any 5 farm animals. Dog,
dog, cat,
sheep,
sheep, goat,
cow.
cow,
Name any 5 wild animals. Lion,
lion, tiger, giraffe,
elephant.
elephant, cheetah,
Name any 5 flowers. Rose,
rose,
lotus,
lotus, sunflower, marigold,
cow lives in,
shed,
horse lives in,
stubble,
hen lives in,
hoop,
carrot is good for our,
eyes,
baby of hen is called cheek.
cheek,
How many traffic lights do we have in traffic signals? Don't move your hands.
3,
Name them.
red, yellow, green,
Red indicates,
stop,
yellow indicates,
wait,
green indicates,
go,
largest animal,
African elephant,
biggest fish,
shark,
shape of a samosa,
triangle,
who bring gift on Christmas.
Santa Claus,
When do we celebrate Christmas? December
December 14th,
25th.
25th.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.